couple of weeks since I've been out. Today we'll have a ride up to the Tanfield Railway. I'm going to go through Lumley down to Chesley Street, and from Chesley Street get onto the sea line, and that'll take us all the way to Tanfield. So let's get on with it.
Red light, sun when it sets hours, green eyes and apples eye. You said you loved all the songs that I'd sing, like nothing that you'd ever heard. And I said I loved you with all of my heart when we were two beautiful birds.
Through to Great Lumley, and if you have a look behind me, that's where we're heading today. Luckily we follow the sea to sea, and it's sort of flat, but it's quite deceiving, the climb. So yeah, looking forward to that one.
Beautiful birds, we'd sing when the morning would come. You were silver and blue like the moon when it's new. I was cold as the summer sun. One day was for a different song, one that I just couldn't sing. I got the melody sharp and the words all wrong. Those were the last days of spring. To build a nest we pecked feathers from our chests, like a book tearing out every page. We weren't to know that these feathers would grow into a beautiful cage.
Nice artwork on this stretch of the sea to sea route, but as I said, it's a canny climb. It's really deceiving. It looks flat, but it's not, like. And the climb out of Chesley Street has need Bradley Wiggins, like, but it almost killed us, like. But we're getting there, and I've just checked the timetable, and the first train to leave Andrew's house at Tanfield is 10:30, so I'm gonna get my foot down, I think. Catch us in a bit.
Keep your memories in jars, carry secrets and scars beneath your shell. You've seen some good days and some bad ones too. You weave through fashion and trend. You've seen the sunrise on an ocean blue, you've seen it set for the dearest of friends. Found faith but you chose to doubt it. You found love but you left without it. Now you don't want to talk about it. You travelled down through foreign lands, touched mountain tops, golden sands, seen pyramids and temples made of stone. Keep seashells in a cashmere scarf, a treasure book or photographs. In every single one you stand alone. You've seen Vienna and the Berlin Wall, and as you watch the decades fall, the letters that you wrote never made it home. Birthdays flew past like June, with Christmas days in hotel rooms, and New Year's Eve with people you don't know. You built friendships but they sailed without you. You never meant it and that's why they doubt you. Now they don't ever talk about you.
At the station, neat train yet, so I think we've beat it. Getting here early, or the train's late, one of the two. Yeah, the ride from Bournemouth Stanley up to Tanfield was a bit of a killer. Like, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't remember being that steep on the way here a year ago when it came up. So I'll be taking it steady on the way home, but luckily it'll be downhill on the way home. So we'll just have a cup of tea and wait for the train coming now.
But the penny never dropped. No man has ever stopped time from flying by.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could watch the stars dance from the moon, fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me.
So that's our ride to Tanfield Railway done. It's been a canny ride out. The sun's made an appearance. I'm dressed for winter. I'm sweating. So it's been a really good ride out. I mean, the ride up there, as I said, really steep, but I'm downhill now on my way home. Happy days. If you're liking the videos, like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.